With these wraps, prevent the dry cough in one night. Cold and cough. For most people, they are minor ailments. But if not treated timely, and if we don't pay enough attention, they can turn into extremely an irritating and dangerous disease. Dry cough is particularly annoying because it worsens over time and exhausts the body. It takes away the concentration, not only of the patient but also of the people around him. If the cough disturbs you by day, we can say that it is 3 times more boring at night. Sick people often seek salvation in pharmacies and taking syrups to soothe the cough. Syrups for cough can suppress symptoms. Most syrups for soothing cough contain the following ingredients: codeine and dextromethorphan. These 2 ingredients suppress signals to the brain that promote coughing. It may also cause some side effects such as drowsiness, headache and fast heart rate. How can honey wraps help you? Honey is a super healthy food. The healthiest food on the planet. It contains various health benefits, and it can help in fighting colds and flu, ease cough and help with various other health problems. Honey wraps significantly ease cough and help in eliminating excess mucus from the lungs. They can be used in children and adults. Ingredients: honey, olive oil, napkin, gauze, flour, adhesive tape. Procedure: this treatment is prepared very simply and easily. First, mix the flour with a little honey and get a mixture like dough. Then, add a little olive oil and apply it on the napkin. Apply it to your chest or back and fix it well. Note: if the wrap is used for children, it should be applied 3 hours before they go to sleep, and then remove it. But if the wrap is used to treat adults, it can then be left to act through the night. It may come to profuse sweating at night, but that's not always the case, just as the duration of the treatment, which is different for everyone. For some, it takes 1 day, and for others, it can take several days to be fully cured.